Today I will show you how to mask in Figma. So let's say I want to make a circle mask around this house. So what we will do is we will choose an ellipse and we will drag it. If you want to create a perfect circle, you need to hold Shift and scale it to whatever size you want. I will choose something like this. And now what you need to do is you need to bring this ellipse, this circle, to the bottom. So send to back. Actually, send it to the back. And now what you need to do is you need to select the image and the ellipse. You need to click right click, and here you can click use as mask, or you can click Ctrl Alt plus M, or you can click this in the middle option, which is also to create a mask. We will click this, and now as you can see here, ellipse, this circle is used as mask in this frame. So now what we can do is we can drag this circle, this ellipse, around the image to whatever position we want. We can scale this circle mask. We can hold Shift to make a perfect circle, or what we can do is we can move this image around the circle. And that's how you create a mask in Figma.